Hello and welcome back to another Numisma tutorial. Now in today's session I will be giving you a little overview on how to upload bank statements to Numisma. We do this through CSV mapping. So as you can see here, I'm in my agent dashboard. You'll be pretty familiar with this screen. This is my practice dashboard. And if there was a client that I wanted to upload some bank statements for, I can go over to my client list. Now, I'm using a pretty small demo account right now, so I don't have too many clients. But what I can do is you can search for the client that you want to upload the bank statements for, or alternatively, if you can see them in the list view here, we can go in and click into our client. So by clicking into my client, I come through to my client dashboard, the business dashboard, and what I can do from here is, of course, just going to double check that I'm in the correct accounting period that I want to upload the bank statements for. Again, this is a demo account, so there's not too much data here. So I'm just in my standard accounting period right now. And then what I can do is I can head over to the banking tab. Now, in the banking tab, what I can do is check that this is the correct bank that I want to upload the statements for. So I'm in the correct bank name here. And what I can do is upload a CSV. So in order to upload the CSV, first of all, I can download the sample CSV from the Numisma, and that will download here. And what we can do is come over and begin populating the CSV for batch uploading the bank statement. So let's go ahead over here and do the 1st of January. Let's do the 5th of January 2020. If this was a transaction, let's say, we can do give it a description, tutorial test. Let's have an incoming amount of 5,000. Once this is all populated and you've filled out the CSV mapping tool, what we can do is I'll just go ahead and save that. Save that to my desktop. Save. And now I can head back over to the Numisma. Make sure it's the correct bank account once again, and now I can choose my CSV file. So you can see bank transactions test here. Let's open that up. And let's click upload. So just to make sure that the mapping's correct, it will ask you date is going to match with date, description will match with description, and amount will match with amount. So click submit on there. And you can see that it's pulled it through from the CSV mapping. So have a look what this is. In my test guys, I put 2021 instead of 2020, but let's just take these two transactions for now, considering they're in the correct accounting period. But actually, for tutorial purposes, this is pretty good because it shows you if there's any discrepancies in that CSV file as well. So let's import these two transactions. So you can see that the two transactions have successfully been imported. This one has not, as I have put it in the wrong financial year. So if I head over to banking now, click into the correct bank once again and go into unreconciled transactions, you will see those two transactions have been pulled through. You've got the debits and the credits here. And then from here, what we can do is begin our reconciliation and allocation process. But that is how we upload bank statements en masse to Numisma. As ever, if you have any further questions or queries, please do get in touch with us. Our contact number is 020-3021-2326. And you can also contact us via email, which is support@numisma.co.uk. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next tutorial. Thank you.